In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on this Volkswagen Jetta wagon. This is going to be located on the back liftgate. Let's get into it. With the wiper blade down, there's a cover right here. I'm just going to take a straight blade screwdriver, just get in here, just pry that back. Then you can pull the arm in the up position. Just grab the wiper blade and just forcefully pull it out. Just like that. Now take the new wiper blade, line that up, just snap it in place, put the arm down, and then close the cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.